In this video, I'll guide you through how to format USB to FAT32. I have a USB drive that's currently formatted as NTFS, which is the default file system used by modern Windows operating systems. NTFS is great for storing large files and offers advanced features, but it does have one limitation. If you want your USB drive to work across a wide range of devices such as Macs, Linux computers, smart TVs, car multimedia systems, or gaming consoles, FAT32 offers much better compatibility. The problem is that Windows doesn't always let you format larger USB drives as FAT32. In many cases, you'll only see NTFS and exFAT as formatting options. So, if you specifically need your USB drive in the FAT32 format, you'll need to use a free utility to do it. Let me show you how. First, open your browser, and browser's address bar, type rufus.ie and press enter. Once you're on the website, scroll down to the download section and download the latest version of Rufus. After the download is complete, right-click on the Rufus file and select Open to launch the application. In Rufus, under the Device drop-down menu, select your USB drive from the list. Next, under the Boot selection drop-down, choose Non-bootable. This simply means you're formatting the USB drive without creating a bootable device or installing an operating system. After that, under the File System drop-down, select FAT32. Using Rufus, you can easily format your USB drive or SD card to the FAT32 file system, even when Windows doesn't provide the option. Once everything is ready, click the Start button. If you see a warning message saying that all data on the USB drive will be destroyed, make sure you've backed up any important files before continuing. Then click OK to begin the formatting process. Rufus will now format your USB drive to the FAT32 file system. This only takes a few seconds, so just wait for it to finish. Alright, once the formatting is complete, open File Explorer, right-click on your USB drive and select Properties. As you can see, the file system is now FAT32, so that's how you can easily format your USB drive or SD card to FAT32 using Rufus. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.